Hi everyone, and a warm welcome back to the monthly economic update for the month of May. I know it's been a while since we've had an update such as this, and we hope that everyone who's watching it is safe at home and keeping in good spirits during this time. If you look back what's happened in the economy, I think we're seeing the first signs in terms of the impact of that COVID is having on the economy. So a key indicator that we do track is what we call the Purchasing Managers Index, which is a global index and that has been formulated quite recently by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka since 2015. And what we've noticed with the number in April is both services and manufacturing hitting an all-time low, at least the lowest since it was recorded in 2015. Now, this is purely a reflection of, I think, the orders, in particular on the manufacturing side, that was lost. And from the services side, purely, I think, driven by the impact we've seen on the tourism side. So given that measures have now taken place to reopen the economy, it'll be interesting to see at least if the manufacturing PMI picks up in May and shows signs of recovery as we move into June, July and the rest of the year. Another key data point which has come out for April, I think, is the remittances number. We saw remittances falling about 32% in April 2020 compared to the year before. Now this is an interesting sign because this was also the first initial month where we really saw the full impact of zero departures, returnees coming back, and also reported job losses in the Middle East, or at least pay cuts happening in the Middle East. So moving forward with continuation of no departures, further repatriation, we could expect this remittances number to fall further, and that will have an impact on the economy. On a good note, I think in May, what we did see was a very resilient currency. We saw the rupee appreciating from about 192 to about 186, bringing the overall depreciation so far for the year, which is about 2.5%, which is quite good relative to what we've seen with other countries, in particular in the region, in India, in Thailand, in Indonesia, which has seen even more depreciation against the US dollar. So that's a bit on the local side. From a global perspective, I think still the concern is how quickly some of the key markets will recover, like US, the EU, and India in particular, and how much that will have an impact on trade growth and trade volume growth, which is expected to fall below the global financial crisis level. So as we move into June, I think we'll get more data points, more trends to really talk about and really understand what the post-COVID-19 economic realities will really be. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay tuned for another episode.